India's largest two-wheeler maker, MotoCorp, has launched the latest model of the Xtreme 160R. This happened yesterday, and it's quite an upgrade on this bike in its 160cc segment. Hero expects this bike to clock good growth numbers going forward. My colleague Abhimanyu Sharma caught up with Ranjivjit Singh, Chief Growth Officer of Hero Moto, and began by asking him about this latest launch, the bike's features, and the company's overall outlook.
We are very excited to today launch the Xtreme 160R 4V motorcycle. It is the fastest 160cc in India. It is the lightest 160cc in India. It's got the most advanced telematics like the Connected 2.0, and it's a pleasure to be able to really unravel what all capabilities there are in that. What I absolutely love about it is the fact that even though you may choose in the beginning to get a split seat, but you have the option to change it to a unibody seat. It's got these beautiful and gorgeous upside-down forks. So we're very excited. We're really planning on creating a new culture around dragsters. So we call it a new race called dragsters.
How much volumes do you expect this bike to contribute to the segment you're launching it in? You had also mentioned that drag racing is an area where you are looking to expand, where you are looking to tap the current market. Can you explain for our viewers what kind of volumes are you looking at?
This is a segment which is growing. It's a little over 1 million units a year, and therefore we're coming up with something that is so best in class with such a competitive price at 1,27,300 as the starting price with the 3 variants there. I believe this will really catch on very well. People are looking for performance, they're looking for acceleration, they're looking for riding ergonomics, and this one has it all.
What kind of investments are you looking at as far as premium launches are concerned? Can you give a rough breakup of that, and also with respect to the rural versus urban demand, which kind of a market segment are you looking to tap?
Well, this is going to be a very, very visible launch. You've seen already the pre-launch buzz that is created. A lot of the work has gone viral. It's going to be across media. The premium is a key priority for us in Hero MotoCorp, and we're going to continue to invest there.
Speaking of several states, we have seen that there has been a bounce back in demand, which was also stated earlier in the press interaction. There has been a bounce back in demand. Which are the states where you have seen a resurgence in demand? Are there any laggard states also where you're looking to ensure that demand comes back?
We're seeing the growth coming in across the board, quite literally. I mean, there are urban centers and there are rural. Both of them are moving ahead quite well. We're quite satisfied with the growth that's coming in. Of course, we're as the category leaders, as the market leaders, it's our role to invite more and more first-time buyers into two-wheelers. It's mostly like a personal mobility need. And at the top end, the premium is where a lot of excitement is, where people are looking for that advanced technology, and we're bringing that in.
You spoke about first-time buyers. Also, speaking of rural areas, is replacement demand back in rural economies? Are there any other segments in the urban areas where you're looking to tap to increase the volume sales?
Replacement demand, we are seeing it coming back. We are seeing the 125cc segment is buoyant, and the premium segment is also buoyant. So all in all, I believe the consumer is coming back into the market quite well.
My final question to you, you had indicated that this is going to be an unprecedented year with respect to the number of launches, the number of additions with respect to even retail stores for that matter. What kind of outlook do you suggest for the monsoon season and for the festive season?
Well, the Kharif crop has been pretty good. A lot of work the government is doing around that in terms of making the infrastructure. Digital payments is helping a lot. People are using retail financing pretty well. So there are lots of green shoots that we are seeing in the economy, and we believe this is a good time for the two-wheeler industry.
All right, that is the word coming in from Hero Moto. The management sounding extremely positive, saying that they're seeing growth across the board, also pushing very heavily on the premium side and saying that they're going to continue to invest. So that's an important conversation coming through over there. But with that, I am, as usual, going to